everyone, welcome back to my channel Happiness and Motherhood. In my today's video, we'll be learning about so many different kinds of fine motor skills activities that we can do, our kids can practice, and our kids can have fun with them. At the same time, with those activities, they can develop their fine motor strength. Fine means small, and motor skills means actions, movement, ability to move. Fine motor skills is nothing but it's the amount of strength, control, stability in their hands, their fingers. Fine means small, and fine motor skills involve smaller group of muscles. They are using their hands for almost everything, for feeding themselves, for brushing their teeth, for grasping toys. Most importantly, their finger strength is required when they start to trace, to write, to draw, and when they start their school, they are expected to start tracing, to start writing. So we need to make sure our kids are strongly developed when it comes to the fine motor skill development. So without any further delays, let's go ahead and see what are the activities that you can do for their fine motor skills development. Activities like these are known as threading activities and can be done in many ways. On the left side, I have used spaghetti sticks and Cheerios, and on the right side, I have used colorful smoothie straws cut into small pieces and some random sticks. Threading activities like these are great for fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination development in toddlers. Your child needs to work with a lot of concentration and steady hands for this activity. After green, what's the pattern? Blue. After blue, let's do the last one. Last one is gonna be red. Good job, Ruhan. This activity is great for developing pincher grip in toddlers. You can see how he's using his index finger and thumb to poke those colorful straws in the Play-Doh. This pom-pom whisk sensory activity is a classic one. It looks super simple but very exciting for babies as well as young toddlers. Ruhan's been doing this activity since he was very young and he still enjoys it. And you can see how he's using his pincer grasp to take out all the pom-poms one by one from the whisk. This is a great fine motor skills activity for kids. For this one, all you need is some straw cleaners, and I'm using whisk, and I also use this basket with the holes, or you can use colander for this activity. This activity teaches your toddler to be patient and use his brain and hands at the same time. This activity might look overly easy and simple, but it does take a bit of planning and challenging for small toddler hands. This one is a bean transfer activity for toddlers. This is Ruhan's favorite activity, so I try to give this activity to him in so many different ways. You'll see kids can use tweezers, they can use spoon, they can use different other kind of beans to transfer. Right now you can see Ruhan is using tweezers and he's transferring chickpeas. He's using all fingers. He's exercising his finger muscles. This is a great fine motor skill activity for kids. Fine motor skills plus hand-to-eye coordination. You can see how he's focused. He's sitting at one place and doing his job. At this time he is using his pincher grip to hold that yellow pea one by one and put through that hole. One tip, do not give your kids lot of beans at once. They get overwhelmed and they don't even want to start the activity. Baking soda on a tray and vinegar with some food coloring. That's all. And I have given my kids these droppers. They can be any type of droppers. If your kid is using a dropper, that means he is exercising those finger muscles, and that's again one fine motor skills activity for them. You can see how he's using his thumb and other fingers to pinch that top part of the dropper. So yes, this one is my 9-year-old, my 3-year-old favorite activity. Fishing activity for toddlers. Not just bottle caps, you can take anything else that floats in water. Why this activity is fine motor skills? You can see how he is manipulating that big spoon from here to there. So they are learning to control their elbow muscles, hand muscles. He is holding that big spoon with his fingers. So that is why this one is a fine motor skill activity for kids, and also he's having fun at the same time. So do try this activity with your toddlers. This is really fun for them. Ruhan loves to do this activity. He would do this activity almost every day if given a chance. Next one is sponge water transfer activity. All you need is few clean sponge or one clean sponge, clean water and few containers, and that's it. Toddlers get so excited when they see water. They want to play with it. They really don't need anything when we give them water to play. So yes, they use their fine motor skills, they use their fingers, they use their hands, they use all their strength to squeeze that water out from that sponge. Do try this activity if you have not done this yet. They really need to use their fine motor strength to do this activity or to play like this. This is a wonderful fine motor skill activity plus fun for them. Simple tape pulling activity. All you need is tape and that's it. You can see how he's using his fingers and hands, and that's where this activity becomes a fine motor skill activity. Playing with stickers. Stickers are great fine motor skills tool for your toddler. If your toddler is playing with stickers, that means he's using his fine motor skills by default. So, and also you can see how I have made this sticker activity a little bit extra fun and learning at the same time. Ruhan loves to spell his name, so that's why I have given his name, and he's tracing his name with the help of stickers. For this activity, all you need is few clothespin and a bowl. If your toddler is playing with clothespin or he is trying to learn how clothespin works, that means he is using his pincher grip, he is exercising his fine motor strength, his fine motor skills to learn this activity. This activity is a quick one but very effective for your toddler. At the beginning, they might not show interest in putting them on the bowl. Why don't you put them on the bowl for them, and they can slowly take them out one by one. That's how I started with Ruhan. Once again, thank you so much for your views, for your likes, for your subscription. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy and stay safe.